Hello my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm unbagging the Sephora Favorites Hello set from November 2020. If that sounds interesting, you want to see what's inside? Stick around. But first, if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm so glad you decided to hang out with me for a little while today. If you've not yet subscribed, I'd love it if you'd hit that subscribe button. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up before you leave. Now this is the Sephora Favorites Hello Whole Star Heroes bundle. It's taken me several tries to get that right. They say it is a set of 6 must-have makeup, skincare, hair care, and fragrance samples from Sephora's top brands, plus vouchers for 15% off future full-size purchases. And the bag costs $10. They claim it has a $32 value. So let's check it out. So our first product is from Lancome, and it is the Monsieur Big Mascara. This is available in 2 sizes at retail. A full size is 10 milliliters and retails for $25. A mini would be 4 milliliters and retail for $13. This is a deluxe sample 2 milliliter size, so I'll give it a value of about $6.50. Heard really good things about this mascara. I have one in my backup drawer, but I haven't tried it yet, so if you've tried it, let me know what you think. Next, from Makeup Forever, this is the Ultra HD Micro Finishing Loose Powder. Again, available in 2 sizes at retail. A full size would be 8.5 grams and retail for $36. Mini is 4 grams and retails for $20. This is a 1 gram sample, so the value on this would be about $5. And there we go. This is one that I've seen show up a lot in samples. I want to say back when I was getting the Sephora Play Box, this showed up a lot. But again, if we come across any of your favorite products, let us know down below so that we know things that we should be trying. Next, from Ren Clean Skincare, this is AHA Smart Renewal Body Serum. And this is a moisturizing body serum with AHAs that work with the skin to naturally exfoliate, leaving skin radiant with a natural glow. The full size of this would be 200 milliliters and retail for $42. This is a 50 milliliter sample, so the value on this is about $10.50. The whole bag was only $10, so this sample alone more than paid for the bag. Next, from Caudalie, we have the Vena Pure Purifying Gel Cleanser. And this, a full size of this would be 150 milliliters, retail for $28. This is a 30 milliliter deluxe sample with a value of about $5.60. Hi, me again. Today is day 17 of 25 days of giveaways. Let's check out what's in the box and we'll talk about the rules. So as always, we start out with a makeup bag and some face masks. This time we have from Honey Jarrett, the Super Beauty face mask. From ESW Beauty, the Deep Detox Pore Control Raw Juice Mask. And from Peace Out, this is the Peace Out Dullness One-Step Brightening Face Pad. From Purlisse, Watermelon Energizing Marshmallow Peel Off Mask. From First Aid Beauty, we have the Pure Skin Face Cleanser. From Tan Towel, we have a self-tan towelette, half body tan. And we have from the Vintage Cosmetic Company, Makeup Remover Cloths. And from Hythe, we have Tranquility Sleep Mist. From DP Hue, we have the ACV Shampoo Conditioner Substitute. From Amika, Supernova Moisture and Shine Cream. And for the nails, we have from Static Nails, a mini in the shade I'll Do It Tomorrow. And from Essie, a mini in the shade Twinkle in Time. And let's move on to the makeup. From Rodial, we have Soft Focus Glow Drops Illuminating Ultimate Glow Primer. We also have from Pure, the 4-in-1 Correcting Primer. From Three Graces Beauty, Lip Savior. From Dominic Paul, we have the Contour Palette. From Dr. Paw Paw, we have Multi-Purpose Soothing Balm for lips, cheeks, and cosmetic finishing. From Ace Beauté, we have Draw It Lip Liner Duo. From Laura Mercier, this is the Translucent Loose Setting Powder in Glow. From ColourPop, we have the Brow Boss in the shade Blonde. From Diego de la Palma, we have the Eye Pencil in the shade 01, which I believe is black. From Benefit Cosmetics, we have a deluxe sample of their Real Mascara. And from IT Cosmetics, we also have a deluxe sample of the Lash Blowout Mascara. From the Beauty Crop, we have Stuck on You Eye Primer. From 3INA, 532 Cream Eyeshadow. From e.l.f. Cosmetics, the Bite Size Face Duo in Coconut. Also from e.l.f. Cosmetics, we have a Bite Size eyeshadow in Berry Bad. From Colored Rain, we have the Vineyard Soiree eyeshadow palette. From Pure Cosmetics, we have the Pure Defense Anti-Pollution eyeshadow palette. That's the packaging. It is so cool. I hope you can see this properly because there's metallic in between the shades, so that may be hard to see. And then for tools, from Otoa and Sephora collection, the Pro Universal Curler. Always use my eyelash curler. And because, of course, there have to be brushes, from Moda Pro, we have the 5-piece deluxe eye kit. Okay, let's run through the rules real quickly and I'll get you right back to your video. You must have a US shipping address, must be age 18 or over, must be subscribed to my channel with subscriptions on public. Please give this video a thumbs up and follow me on Instagram and Twitter if you have them. Leave me a comment that includes the word enter. And today, the 17th, is Wright Brothers Day. Again, one of those things that you don't know until you go and look for them. But today is Wright Brothers Day, so tell me the first place that you ever flew to in an airplane. Or if you've never flown, tell me that. So yes, the word enter and the first place that you ever flew on a plane. For me, I apparently was in Florida as a toddler, but of course I don't remember it. And then there's also pictures of me in Northern Ireland, again as a toddler, which I don't remember. First thing I remember was probably Florida again. We didn't fly much, we camped a lot, so we drove. So, yeah, I think it was probably Florida, the first one that I remember. So yeah, so tell me the first place that you flew and make sure you include the word enter so that the comment picker can find you. If you do have Instagram or Twitter, please leave me your Instagram or Twitter name as part of your comment so I have a way to contact you besides just responding to your comment here on YouTube, since the YouTube notifications are not always reliable. If you don't have Instagram or Twitter and you feel comfortable enough to leave me another method of reaching you, such as your email address, that'd be great, but you absolutely do not have to. Once I ship the box, I'm no longer responsible for the box or its contents. I will give the winner the tracking number once the box has shipped. The giveaway is not affiliated with or sponsored by YouTube, any of the brands included in the giveaway, or any of the brands mentioned in the main video. All items in the giveaway were purchased with my own money or were received in mystery boxes, subscription boxes, advent calendars, and the like, which were purchased with my own money. Nothing has been sponsored, donated, or gifted. I will leave this giveaway open until December 28th at 1 p.m. Eastern, and the winner will have 48 hours after I reach out to them to respond to me, or I'll choose another winner. And with that, I send you back to the regular video. And from, I'm probably going to say this wrong, is it O-U-A-I? Somebody let me know down below how to say that. It is a hair oil. And this is another one that is available in 2 sizes at retail. A full size would be 45 milliliters and retail for $28. Their mini is 13 milliliters and retails for $14. This is 10 milliliters, so it's a little bit smaller than their retail mini. So the value on this would be about $10.77. So again, this is another product that is worth more than the price of the bag. And then the last thing we got is from Versace, and it is the Bright Crystal Eau de Toilette. And it's just, you know, a little mini sample. Very pretty packaging though. This is available in several sizes at retail, from 198 milliliter value size for $140 to a 10 milliliter mini that is $30. This is a 1 milliliter sample, so this has a value of about $3. I actually like getting these little perfume samples just because if you're going to invest in a perfume, it better be one you really like, because these things can be really pricey, so I enjoy getting these little ones. Now we also got in here, again, it says 15% off, and there are 6 individual coupons, so you could get 15% off each product. It's not 15% off any one, like sometimes you get the trial perfume sets or lip care sets or things like that, and you get a coupon that you can get something off one. This one is 15% off all of them. So again, we got 6 items as they promised. They did say it would be 6 deluxe samples with a $32 value. By my calculations, the total retail value is $45.57 plus the coupons. So I think it was a pretty good deal. Let me know if any of these are products that you've had particular experience with, whether it's good or bad, so that we know whether or not it's something that we should be trying. You know, part of what I'd like to do here is to get us talking about our favorite products, so that, you know, we know when we're going to spend the money, where we should be spending the money. And if you haven't watched my video on saving money this holiday season, if you're not shopping with Rakuten or a similar type of cash back system, you're spending more than you need to, so check out that video. I will put a link to it. But I think these kind of sample kits are a pretty good way to try out some new products. So let me know your comments down in the comments section. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe down below if you haven't already. And remember, life is uncertain. Add extra sparkle. And thank you for spending your time hanging out with me today. Please stay safe. Be kind to yourself, and I'll see you real soon. Bye.